Hello and welcome to our video for adding a one-off item to a schedule within Horizon. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add a one-off item to a schedule in Horizon. You can add one-off items to schedules for the different types of call group, including hunt groups, call queue groups, call center groups, and auto attendance. If you're adding a one-off item, you'll need to edit the group that this is specific to. First find the group and then click Edit. Click on the Advanced Settings tab and click on Edit next to the Schedule option. This presents you with your currently active schedule. To view it, click the eye icon. To edit it, click the pencil icon. Click on Add Event to start the process of creating a one-off item within the existing schedule. It's important to consider whether you are setting the open hours or closed hours at this point. In these examples, we will set the closed hours for the company and these one-off schedule items. First, we'll take a look at closing early for the day. This Friday, the business will close at 4 PM, so we need to add in a schedule item to implement this. The existing schedule has the company close at 1700 hours, so we only need to cover the additional hour from 4 till 5 PM. Click on Add Event and give the event a name. Let's go for Early Close Friday. Untick All Day Event and change the date to this Friday and also to end this Friday as it is a one-off event. Change the closed hours to start at 4 PM and finish at 4:59 PM as the existing closed hours schedule will take over at this point. Then click Create and you'll see this in the list with your other schedule events. Close this window and click the eye icon to check the change you've made on the calendar. There are a few more steps involved if you want to add an event to the schedule that overlaps with another event. For example, if you have the business set to be closed at the weekends but then wish to open on a single Saturday, this requires ending the current recurring schedule that involves the weekends, adding a one-off item for the single Saturday, then recreating the weekend schedule after your one-off event on that Saturday. Let's take a look at how we implement this now, which should make this a little bit clearer. Click on the eye icon to see the existing schedule to get an idea of what we need to edit. You can see the weekends both are closed. There's no time listed on the schedule, which indicates it's an all-day event. We now need to edit that schedule. Click the pencil icon and head to the Events tab. Click Edit for the event you want to change. In this example, it's weekends. Have the current event end the day before you want your one-off event to be applied. Under Stop Recurring, enter the date we mentioned, the Friday before the Saturday we want to open. Check the event ends as planned using the eye icon again. We can see the recurrent stops on the Friday before our Saturday event. We need to apply closed hours for the Saturday morning and evening as separate events. Add the AM first. Select Add Event. Name it. Untick All Day Event. Add the date and time we want the company closed for on that Saturday, i.e. midnight until their opening time of 10 AM. Then click Create. Then create the PM one, from 4 PM until 11:59 PM on the Saturday using the same method. We now need to re-add the weekend close schedule for the Sunday onwards to recur indefinitely. Add a new event, choose Sunday as the start and end date. It's an all-day event, then have it recur weekly on the Saturday and Sunday and never stop recurring. Check the schedule has applied correctly. Here you can see your closed hours on the Saturday and the new recurring weekend closed hours. The company will be open between 10 AM and 4 PM on the Saturday. Lastly, additional routing is a separate schedule that you may want to use for things like bank holidays or training days. It's a way to separate out one-off events from your usual schedule. To use additional routing, you need to have created closed hours schedules and have them active on the company. If you want to close for the full day, additional routing will override the closed hours schedule to force the company closed for the full day. You can set this by clicking the pencil icon and entering the date and setting this to an all-day event. Auto attendants are different as you can set both open and closed hours. This video should give you an idea of how you can structure those schedules. You should now be confident in creating one-off events in schedules. The key is to think logically about the hours covered by each event before making changes to schedules. It can help to map it out if you're struggling.